Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up HitFilm for green screen compositing, complete guide step by step clearly. Open HitFilm and create a new project. Set the project settings according to your desired resolution and frame rate. Import your green screen footage into the media bin by right-clicking and selecting Import. Drag your green screen clip to the timeline. Right-click on the green screen clip in the timeline and select Add Effect. Navigate to the keying category in the Effects panel. Select the color key effect and apply it to your green screen clip. In the Controls panel, use the color picker to sample the green color from your footage. Adjust the tolerance slider to remove the green background effectively. Fine-tune the settings for edge softness to soften the edges of the subject. If needed, adjust the contrast and brightness settings to enhance the subject. To add a new background, import your desired background footage or image. Drag the background clip to the timeline, positioning it on the layer under your green screen clip. Ensure the background layer is below the green screen layer for proper visibility. Preview your composite to check for any green spill or artifacts. If artifacts are present, return to the color key effect and tweak the settings until satisfied. You can use the blur effect on the edges of your subject for a more seamless look. Play back your project to confirm everything looks smooth and blended. Adjust the timing of both clips in the timeline for synchronization. Once you are happy with the composite, render your project by navigating to the Export tab. Select your desired export settings and click Start Exporting. Your green screen composite project is now complete and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.